This meeting is being recorded.
Okay, so this is the program that I'm about to recreate, hopefully very quickly. We're just doing if-then statements, and we're going to determine if the number that we input is even or odd. So I'll start with, I will create, oh my God, get out of my way. A new project. It needs to be a new project. File, new. Please get out of my way. File, new. Oh my Lord. Yes, I know that I'm sharing with IntelliJ. File, new project. If then Lab3, and it can be in this window. I'll go to the source code and create a new package. If then Lab3, and inside of the package I will create a new class, and it's just if then statements. I will start with creating a main module. Yep. Importing the scanner tool because we're gonna be receiving input. Scanner.java.util. This is just setting up a variable for the scanner. I'll call this, yeah, it can be called input. And then we need to ask for information, so we can do an output. Say enter a number. And then the scanner will pick this up. Input the next integer that will be entered will be here, and it'll go under this this variable called num. And from there, I'll do the if then statement. So if, yeah, it must, I guess, is IntelliJ like listening to me? No, I'll say if this, hmm, hmm, that sounds right, but I want, I want to use this input net if num 2% equals 0. Yes, number is even. And then we'll say else, and the else has to come after this brace, after this curly brace. Else, yep, out number is odd. I think that's about it. If it's divided by 2, num divided by 2, if num modulus 2 is equal to 0, system out number is even. Enter number. 44. Number is even. Okay, I'll try it again. Enter another number, and I will say 333. Number is odd. Okay, so it's working, and I'll do it one more time. So new project, lab 3 if then, create this window, go to the source code, new package, if then lab 3, and create a new Java class, if then lab 3. And we'll start by creating a main module, importing scanner. so for input, so this will be for receiving inputs. Scanner.java.util. I get rid of this scanner declaration right here. Wait. Get rid of that. Inside of here, I will, initialize the scanner. We'll ask for the users to enter a number. Yep, this thing is doing everything for me. So scanner, I'll call this input. It'll go to a variable called input, and then from here, I guess this is where we'll receive the next integer. So yeah, input num, and it'll go to the next integer that is produced after we enter a number here will go to this variable called num, and then we can start with the if then statement. If num modulus 2 is equal to 0, so that just means if the remainder of any number like by the modulus 2 is equal to 0, that means it's even. So if this is the case, we'll output number is even, and then I will bring this curly brace here, and then behind the curly brace, then I will do the else statement and do an output output number is odd. Yeah, well, this is actually going to show the number as well. It'll show the number that was input, and it'll say if it was even or odd. Okay, and I'll start it. Enter the number 4,444. It says this number is even, and I'll try it again with 3,333. Enter, and it says number is odd. Okay, that's it.